Here is how to change x-axis scale in Excel. In the graph that I have here, we have the percentages shown on the x-axis, going from 0 all the way up to 20%. But what if I wanted to show from 0 to 40%? And what if I want the lines to come up at faster intervals of 5% each? To do all of that, we need to click on the graph and go to the add element or the chart element sign. Hover over axis till you can see the small arrow over here. When you click on that, click on more options. Now notice how on my graph the x-axis has been highlighted, which means we are dealing with the x-axis. Now I want the minimum and maxima to change. I want it to go up to 40%, which would be 0.4. And I would like the major lines to come up at intervals of 5%, which means 0.05. Now when I reset, I can see all the way from 0 to 40% with intervals of 5% each. Therefore, I have changed the scale in the x-axis.